I love rainy days. They're so peaceful.
I love rain days because we get to just sit here and relax.
Yeah, man, I need to take the edge off.
No, you don't need to take the edge off. You guys never do anything anyhow.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
You guys really need to be in the right frame of mind and ready to work in case it stops raining. You don't want to fall off the roof, do you?
You mean like you always do?
Remember that time when Carl ate all that warm sauerkraut for lunch and then spent the rest of the day running to the porta potty? Look out! Whoa! Look at that behemoth go!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Hey, Cooper.
What's up, dude?
I'm okay.
Looks like Gary's having turd stew today.
Dude, that's blue poo on you.
Gary, you're a jerk.
Son of a bitch! You fat piece of shit!
Heroes Crew!